Učenci mednarodnega oddelka osnovne šole Danile Kumar prihajajo iz različnih držav. Mašina domovina je Rusija, v Sloveniji živi že vse življenje, saj so njeni starši v Slovenijo prišli zaradi dela. Tudi Žavmovi starši so se iz Španije priselili zaradi dela. 13-letna Sonja je z družino iz Ukrajine prišla pred 5 leti in sicer zaradi rusko-ukrajinskega spora. 12-letni Max je Slovenec, v mednarodnem oddelku se šola, da bi se dobro naučil angleščine.
They learn me about different cultures and how to respect the other world.
Spoštovati druge ni vedno lahko. To zdaj že dobro vedo mladi, ki se pogovarjajo tudi o vsem slabem, kar se dogaja v njihovih domovinah. Sonja iz Ukrajine je te dni večkrat zaskrbljena.
My family lives in the city state and we instantly started calling and asking what happened and I was just really scared for them. We tried to keep calm.
Težko pa je tudi njeni dobri prijateljici in sošolki Maši, ki prihaja iz Rusije.
It was a very scary thing for us because our families are there. We kind of right now are focusing on other things to kind of distract ourselves.
We don't talk about what happened 5 years before it, what may be the cause of the war. We mostly talk about if our families are safe.
They taught me that even if the war is happening, they can still support each other.
Včasih pa se je treba soočiti tudi z drugačnimi mnenji in nerazumevanjem.
We don't take sides because, first of all, we don't have enough political experience to take sides, and also we think it's rude.
I feel sad about it, but I don't feel angry and anyway because it's not really the fault of the citizens.
It wasn't our decision to start the war, so right now we're just listening to each other's opinions and supporting each other through this time, so it doesn't really affecting our friendship in a negative way. It's actually kind of making it stronger because we understand how we feel about this issue.